Are you guys tired of seeing pop-ups like this anytime you try to play Valorant? Well, look no further, because in today's video I'll be showcasing you guys the best permanent spoofer add on the market. This is called HWIDSpoofer, aka the most used and trusted hardware spoofer provider add on the market. As you guys can see, they've got 14,000 products sold and 5-star reviews. So to purchase their vast spoofer, what we want to do is click on the hardware spoofer here and click on their permanent. Now once we're here, we can see that they have all these different stuff that they works on, whether working from games like Fortnite, Val, COD, and any game you can possibly think about. We also see that they have instant delivery and 24-hour customer support, meaning that as soon as you buy the key, you'll get fully unbanned from the game straight away, and if there's any issues with the spoofer, which is very rare, they will fix your error code straight away, allowing you to play your game as quick as possible. So now we want to select what type of key we want from one time and lifetime. One time is best for people that want to go legit, as after you get yourself unbanned, you're never going to get banned again. Meanwhile, lifetime is best for people that want to keep on cheating, as you can ban, unban, ban, and unban. So for that reason, I'm going to get a lifetime key, and all you want to do is click on the checkout button. After it's loading, it's going to say automatic to cart in the top right for you, and then you're going to be brought here. And all you want to do here is put your payment method here, and put your email up here, and now press proceed to payment. Well, you're going to get sent instant delivery of the key, loader, and unbanned guide. So I guess you guys after I've got it all. Once purchasing, you're going to have this folder here called Valorant, and all you want to do is right click and press run as admin. Now it's going to be loading, so give it a bit, as this all depends on your PC, but it should be loaded up right about now. Now what we want to do is press Ctrl V to copy and paste our license key from my email and click the login button. That's going to start booting up to the main menu, which usually doesn't take too long, like you see right now. So here I am now in the main menu of the spoofer, and what we want to do is click on the checker button down here and click on our save serials button. And after you click the save serials button, what you want to do is click on the spoofer here, and I'm going to click on permanent spoof, and now here it's going to show everything that's happening in the logs. So it shouldn't take too long, and I'll get to you guys once it's done, and I'm going to just speed it all up so I can show you guys how quick it really is. Okay guys, as you guys can see, it says permanent spoof completed. So what we want to do now is actually close the spoofer and restart our PC. So once I'm done restarting my PC, I'll get to you guys once I'm back in the main menu of the spoofer. Okay guys, so here I am now back in the main menu of the spoofer, and now what we want to do is click on the checker button here, and I want to click on our old save serials, which should be on our desktop or wherever it is, and look at that, right? As you guys can see, my disk is different here. My UID is also different here, my Mac's different, and just like that I'm able to close the serial, close the spoofer, and just like that I'm fully unbanned from Val and I can play it all I want again. So remember, if you want to purchase this for yourself, it's going to be the first link down in the description below. Remember to leave a comment if it worked for you as well, and I hope you guys have an amazing week and day, and peace out.